Hello, my name is Paulus. I work at Global Services Engineering at Pilz, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about industrial security. If we think about cyber attacks on our machines, we often think on a situation where the attacker will come from the outside, and of course it's a good idea to use the SecurityBridge, for example, as a little firewall and separate your machine from the network whenever network access is not needed. But very often the attacker also comes from the inside using unprotected Ethernet or USB ports. And so Pilz came up with a solution where your Ethernet or USB ports can be switched on and off depending on your authentication. So I need a card to identify who am I, and if I have the correct rights, I can switch on, for example, an Ethernet port or a USB port. If you leave your USB port open and unprotected all the time, an attacker or maybe someone who missed the awareness training will plug in a USB port or try to charge his mobile phone, and this might already be enough to get your machine infected with malware. So typically, to avoid this, you can use the PITOA family and the PIT reader. So only if a person is present who has the rights to access the ports, they will be open. In this example, we separated also the standard part and automation part of the machine from the safety. So to realize a defense in depth concept, that even if an attacker would be able to reach the automation, safety is still in a separate zone. And if you want to access your safety, you need the rights, identify yourself, and only then you can access the safety network. And once you remove the card, the connection gets disconnected again. So the most important part of your machine, the safety, will always be protected. The backside of the Steely allows us to show the whole portfolio we have for industrial security. So of course, like always, it starts with standards and regulations, and there we offer consulting, information, and support. The next step for the customer would be to inform himself. So we offer trainings, and in this case, for example, the CISA, Certified Expert, Security and Automation. If it really goes into detail on the machine, how to implement securities there, how to do a partitioning into different zones and conduits, we have the Industrial Security Consulting Service that will help you with that. And as you've seen on the front of the Steely, we have products like the SecurityBridge and the PIT Reader that help you to implement simple solutions for protecting your machine. Security is the new dimension of safety. We can help you with this transformation, so contact us and ask for our support.